Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a structured questionnaire in Microsoft Word step by step that is SPSS ready and tied directly to your research objectives. Let's assume your study has three research objectives. Now, for each objectives, we create structured questions just as you can see on the screen. See how each question maps directly to an objective. This ensures every answer is useful for analysis. Now to create a structured questionnaire. Step 1. Open Microsoft Word and create a blank document. Add a title. Add instructions. Step 2. Divide your questionnaires into sections. Section A. Demographics. This contains the personal details of your respondent. Section B moves to the research questions. Here is a tip: number each question. Numbering ensures SPSS coding is easier later. Step 3. Make it professional and readable. The best fonts I would advise you to use is Arial or Time New Roman. The font size should be between 11 to 12 for the questions and 14 for headings. Use tables or bullet points for multiple choice options, just like I've done. Also, bold section headings for clarity. Step 4. Assign numbers to each response for SPSS. The best way I would advise you to do this is to have a small code book, just like I'm showing on the screen, where you have the objective, the questions, the responses, which I mean by your options, and the number you are assigning to each of them. This makes it very easy when you want to carry out your SPSS analysis in a way you don't get clueless when you forget whatsoever number you have assigned to a particular option. Step 5. Do these final checks before printing or sharing your questionnaire. Check instructions are clear, questions are numbered, options coded correctly, layout neat and readable. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. In my next video, I will show you how to create the same structured questionnaire, but this time we'll be using Google Forms to collect the responses. You don't want to miss that. So do what to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.